Hello and welcome to this WooCommerce tutorial from Tropical Coast Web Design. In this tutorial we're going to look at how you can manage the inventory of your products using the WooCommerce system. First thing we're going to do is log on to our dashboard. As you can see, I'm already there, and we're going to come over to the left hand side to products and select all products, and this will bring up a list of all the products that are currently in this store. We're going to come down to this item here and select it by clicking on the title, and this will bring up that edit product screen that you've seen before if you've followed my other tutorials. In our product data section, we're looking for the tab on the left hand side that says inventory, and this is the item that we're going to change here. You can give your products a stock keeping unit to match what you've got in your physical store or in your warehouse. We're not going to worry about that. What we're going to do here though is we're going to click on the button that says enable stock management at product level, and that will open up a few more levels in this box for us. Now, stock quantity, that's the amount of stock that you currently have on hand. So if you're selling t-shirts, you've got 100 in the shop, we'll type in 100. And what will happen is as people buy them from your online store, it will count backwards from 100. The next step down is important because this is where we allow customers, if that gets to 0, we have no more in our warehouse. At the moment, it says do not allow, so the product will actually disappear from your store. If you change the option to allow but notify customer, the customer will still be able to buy that product, it'll still appear in the store, and they'll get an email telling them that it's on back order. And the next option was allow, and the customer will still be able to buy the product, but they won't be notified that it's on back order. So these might be for things that you can get at pretty quick short notice. And finally, low stock threshold. That is an email that comes out to you when you get to that level, which is currently set to 2. So when you get to 2 of these items left in the store or in your warehouse, you'll get an email as the administrator to say, hey, you better order some more of these. Finally, at the very bottom, it's not quite related to inventory, but you can actually set your products to enable purchase of only one at a time. So for example, if you're selling a ticket to a show, you can use the WooCommerce system for doing that. If you set that to allow only one item at the moment, you will only sell one of those per client. So if you've got something that's in short supply and you only want to sell one at a time to each person who comes to your online store, you're going to tick that button there. Now, as with anything in the WooCommerce or WordPress systems, you need to make sure when you've made any changes at all, come over here to click on the blue update button, otherwise it won't be reflected in the live store.